craft house, solar, laundry. And I love this beam.
So I dropped the mani plate. It flipped, and before it fell on the ground, I wanted to grab it.
Are you knackered?
I'm knackered.
Okay, come down.
All right, so we're done cutting that. Just turn you around here. Gonna finish framing in that gable wall up there. Got pieces cut, so that was good. And they actually fit, so that's even better.
Hey, kitty, kitty, kitty. Jasper, what you doing? What you doing, baby? All done for today. Hi, George. You say hi? Hi?
I'll be alright.
No.
Yeah, I'll be alright. Yeah, I'll be alright.
Oh boy.
Well, I put this one up. It's basically the same height.
Suppose. The first thing we say, Jennifer. Alright, stop.
Can we put them in the kennel maybe for a while? What do you think?
It's hot in there. Stop! And this is shady. You be quiet. Trouble, trouble. Come here, trouble. Hey, no barking. Yes, you know you're in trouble because you're just going over there and you're avoiding me. And you don't want to get in trouble. Come here. Look at her.
Mommy's got a door now. Look out.
George, you're so good. Tiny's so good. Jennifer, Barky Sean.
Terrible Sean.
Terrible Sean. So, now what was I saying? Oh. So, as we mentioned in the first video that we were deciding whether or not to buy somewhere to stay while we, like, basically as a home base, right?
Yeah, this has been a good home base.
We've decided that we're going to start resuming our search. And it is a good home base. It's really close to a small town that has almost everything. Oh, bless you. And, you know, we've decided that we'll build a few little buildings on here. We've got a shed for stuff. We've got our trailer. And now we're going to start looking for, you know, the bigger land that we want, the dream land. And maybe we'll keep this as a, like, getaway parcel. Maybe we won't, so I don't know. Might be okay. Anyway, Robert's gonna Robert's been calling it a bunkhouse, but I don't know. A guest house, craft house, solar, laundry, freezer storage, fridge and freezer storage, because Lord knows we don't have enough room in that little tiny...
I think bunkhouse is far more appealing.
But we don't have enough room in the fridge in that trailer, so it'd be good to have some, you know, out here, extra storage. Nope. It's the multi-purpose hut. Robert thinks bunkhouse is still a good name for it. Let me know in the comments. Do a poll. Let's do a poll. What should we call it? Right. Right, hun?
Yeah, right.
Bunkhouse, guest house, craft shack.
Just not the lake house.
Alright, so we're going to continue on with...
Cut to clip of this.
Cutting.
Cut to trailer of lake house.
Yeah. Or caravan in Suffolk. Excuse you, you're on the wrong side. Hey, backside.
Hey.
Every single time, huh? I'm sure you guys don't want to see his butt, so I'll go over here. We didn't want to see your bum, so I panned over there. Is that 4 feet?
49 3/8.
Oh, it's not even a half a sheet. It's a bit awkward there with those trees, but we're gonna put a little.
32.5.
We're gonna put some boards down and make like a little deck in front of it, so that if we do walk over there, we won't damage the trees and the flowers. I already had to move one into its own pot because it kept getting trampled on. My poor Dahlia. How do you say that? Dahlia? 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 Who knows? Oh my goodness. Hi, babies. Hi, Jennifer. Hi, Tiny. She's in season. Not spayed yet, so we're going to keep them separate. Keep a diaper on her. Don't need any more puppies, I don't think. No time. Nowhere to put them. Not interested. Had my fill of puppies.
I love that dual truck.
You're welcome.
Love it.
I didn't buy it for him. I made him buy it though. It's a really good soft. Gives you nice, even, straight cuts. Not cordless, but oh well. It's 220, but we have the inverter so we can use it. Oh, we were gonna possibly put that other window here. I think that would be a good idea.
Yeah, I could do. Yeah, we'll
have to measure
let's mock it up.
We have to measure it. Yeah. So we're going to be putting one window there, yeah, and one window here, and the door. Possibly a window there. I hope we can put a window there. We were given some windows by Robert's aunt and uncle that we were just to visit, so that was nice of them. Hi. Are you going to say hi? Come on. Come on up. Come on. Come on. Good boy, George. Are you coming up? Come on up, Jennifer. You're just going to be that way, are you? You're a grumpy little in-season dog. Hi, Time. You're a good boy. Your hair is all needing a haircut. Your ladder's straight. You dropped your safety glasses. You dropped your gloves. Just making it flush.
Oh, I was worried that unnecessarily. It's all okay. Yeah, I made it flush, but I'm looking over. I thought when I was over there it wasn't flush. I'm like, okay. But it was.
Did you know that you snort when you bark? She snorts when she barks.
Jennifer.
Stop it! Stop. No. Tiny, stop.
Tiny bear.
One building almost done.
One building shelled. And now we can actually
Work on the inside.
yeah.
Get measurements, look for a fridge and freezer, and fridge/freezer.
Yeah.
Maybe one like we had in, like that opens. But that doesn't
Very
really
long.
have a very big freezer compartment.
I'd want to
So
put something well, I suppose we're putting a good washer dryer in here. We might as well. This is going to be a nice building.
yeah, it'll be nice.
It's going to be a nice bunkhouse. I believe with the hide bed or the Murphy bed, which is doubles as a desk, sewing area, craft area.
Yeah, because you can just take
And I'll
the
just keep
desk,
working
flip it
on it.
around, and then flip down
I'll
the
keep
legs.
sitting up working on the couch at 2 a.m. sitting on the couch.
Why? You can work in here.
You'll let me?
Okay.
Oh, you heard it. Everybody heard it. She's going to let me work in here too.
It's not just my office.
So it'll be nice. We'll have a TV in here.
Yeah.
I want this to be
We are going to
nice.
do it nice, because if we don't sell this land and we just look for the
I wanna
bigger
keep-
land, I want to keep this land.
I wouldn't
for-
mind keeping this long term.
Yeah, I wouldn't either, and we can use it as like a
Getaway.
getaway. Yeah, as a getaway for us to, you know, say we find a piece of land in another province, then we can come here, finish the drive off the next day.
That's right.
So yeah, I'm thinking ahead. And
like
I
that.
love this beam. I love that beam.
Carry it over, make sure it's okay. I didn't put my back to the camera.
They don't look too long to me.
Good. That's good. So that
At the top there.
that foam is really nice.
At the top there, there's a bit of a gap. Right there.
Well, I don't have.
Oh, you don't have % left on this?
Goodbye.
Thanks for
Yeah.
following along with us. We hope you are enjoying our journey and our channel, and please do like and subscribe. Please also share it with some friends that maybe might be interested in homesteading and building and buying lots and learning as you go, basically. So, all right, we'll chat with you all later. Have a great day, everyone. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and we're gonna have a poll in the comments as well, so feel free to comment what you think the answer should be.
Be nice to hear from you.
Talk to you soon. Bye. Looks like it might rain. I better get all this stuff in. Oh yeah, you should.
Fascia on the back and gutters.
Yeah.